Alright, you guys just upgraded the Tesla to 2020.12.5. Just brought up the release notes. So for this Tesla, you can now get traffic cones. Main one is Dashcam Viewer and out of order Supercharger stalls. So I'm gonna show you guys the Dashcam Viewer. This thing is really dope. I think this should have been here from the very beginning. Alright, so after the update, the Sentry mode icon changed. I don't know, it's not as scary anymore, I guess. And for Dashcam, just click this. It has save footage and launch viewer. I think when you're driving, when you still click this, it'll still save the footage. And launch viewer is only available when the car is parked. So let's go ahead and launch that viewer. We can filter it. So this is all. It's separated by Sentry and Dashcam. So if I click Sentry, these are mainly in the garage and parking lots. Then Dashcam is the ones that I've saved. There's some in here where they almost ran into me, but all four options, front, rear, left, and right. I don't think they have yet. So pretty snappy, pretty fast. You can also have the option to delete that video, and I do not think there's sound. It's just straight up video. Pretty fast, not laggy at all. Sentry all. There I am, just cleaning a car. Yep. Yeah, not really a fan of this Sentry mode icon anymore. Looks like a butthole, to be honest. That's what it looks like. Alright, so Sentry mode also changed the display icon. It looks more rugged. It reminds me of Portal, if you guys ever played that game. But yeah, not as terrifying. Or I guess it is, kind of, sort of. But it looks pretty cool. But yeah, that's all the updates for 2020.12.5. I want to see if I can put like a fake cone. Right, so Sentry mode, instead of just saying, oh shoot, you just click on this and it brings the viewer right away. There I am. Pretty neat. It's still pretty fast. Alright, so my Tesla doesn't have hardware 3. I only have 2.5. So the cone update took a while to get to me, but here's the cone. I just put a tiny little, damn it, you can't see it, but put a yellow cloth just right over there and it detects it. Pretty cool. I think they also changed this design. Weird. But yep, 2020.12.5. Hopefully full self-driving will come out soon.